Welcome to Astronauts.com. Today I'm going to show you how to do a cable cast-on. To do a cable cast-on, start by doing one stitch as a knitted cast-on. Insert your needle, wrap your yarn, pull the yarn through, then allow the stitch to become loose as you insert your left-hand needle into the loop on the right-hand needle. To cast on the next stitch, instead of inserting your needle into the stitch on the end, insert your needle in between the two stitches on your needle. Then wrap your yarn and carefully pull the stitch through between the stitches. Now slip this new stitch back onto the left-hand needle the same way you do for a knitted cast-on. Continue by inserting your needle in between the last two stitches on the needle, wrapping the yarn, pulling it through, and slipping it back onto the left-hand needle. Since you are casting on, your total stitches should be increasing. Congratulations, you've done a cabled cast-on. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to visit astronauts.com for more knitting videos and great knitting info.